Hey, a lot of times when you're not traveling in your home, you start to look around for some home projects.
That's right. We're going to turn this drab patio into an outdoor living space.
And we're going to show you the process. So watch us change this into this.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
So the first step was to decide which type of materials we wanted to use.
So, after much research, we decided to go with the Stonehurst Pavers made by Tremron. And we decided to go with the Belgard Fireplace, and since I'm Irish, we picked the Dublin.
The truck arrived with our materials, but unfortunately they weren't able to bring the fireplace or the pavers around back. All right, so the side is too steep to bring the stones and whatnot in the fireplace into the back, so they're going to leave it on the driveway and then take it from there. All right, so as you can see behind me, all the materials are here for the most part, and today is a demo day. Let me show you what they're going to do. Let's take a walk around back. Okay, so we're going to basically cover the patio with pavers and remove the lawn out here, and a fireplace is going to go around here, and there'll be a wall that extends from either side that meets back to the fireplace. So this grass will have to all be removed and of course built up to make it level so that they can put the fireplace and extend the patio all the way out to the fireplace. Yeah. All right, and to get this project done, we had Joseph from Outdoor Kreations, owner of Outdoor Kreations, correct?
Owner of Outdoor Creations.
Yeah, just tell us what you do exactly.
Guys, we're here with the Scudories, and we are getting ready to start an outdoor living project. We're going to do a paver overlay, paver patio extension, columns, seating benches, and fireplace. So yeah, we're here in Murrells Inlet. We're located out of Conway, South Carolina, and we are here to get this project started. We're estimating probably a 3-day project, but we're going to do everything we can to get this done as fast as we can for these clients because they've been waiting quite a long time. So yeah, we're here with one of my favorite crews, Danny, and his guys here, and we're getting ready to get this project started. So right now, it's full demolition, guys.
All right, yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, today's demo day. They're going to dig up the yard and then start the project. We're excited, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
All right, so we thank you for being here and look forward to the project, and we'll take pictures as we go along.
Step by step, everything that we're doing from the excavation to the base preparation to the actual installation. So we look forward to showing you guys the whole process.
Oh, that's great. That's great. All right, thank you. All right, we'll let them get to work. All right.
Work done.
Yeah. Now the first step was to move the pavers from the front to the back of the house. A few moments later, the crushed limestone arrived. This will form the base of the pavers. The next step was to spread the limestone base over the existing concrete patio. So they're moving pretty fast. They have most of the stone in the back and they're starting to lay some of the pavers. Take a look. Now, after the pavers were placed on the existing patio, the grass was removed and the patio was extended 6 feet. The last step was to compact the limestone that was placed over the 6-foot patio extension. Day 2 began with placing the pavers over the compacted limestone, which, as I mentioned, is the area where the patio is being extended 6 feet. And work began on the soldier border. Those are the darker pavers along the edge. Now, before they could begin building the fireplace, they had to dig out the area where the fireplace will go. Now, once the digging was done, a wall was built on top of a limestone base. And then the center was packed with limestone gravel. In the meantime, everyone else was busy on their part of the project. And the patio was taking shape. All right, so it's lunchtime. The crew took a break. Let's go back and see what they've done. So there's 2 columns being built, one here, one over there. There's going to be a wall that runs from the side of the column all the way to the fireplace, and this will be a sitting wall where people can sit on it and enjoy the fire. You can see the patio. Stones are pretty much complete, and they have most of the soldier border in. Now, since we didn't want the fireplace to be all on the new extension, we're having them do a little bump out. This will be the back of the fireplace. This will be filled with the limestone gravel for support, and then the front of the fireplace will sit over here, but this way most of it will be in the back. And this little bump out here is going to be where the grill's going to sit. Now, some of the irrigation hoses were cut in the process of digging, and some of the heads have to be moved, but they're going to do that as part of the project, and they'll be moving the heads and repairing the irrigation system. As a matter of fact, they have new hose right here. Now, one thing to note, they don't use traditional mortar in between the blocks and the stones. Rather, they use this heavy-duty adhesive, which is designed for concrete blocks. So overall, we thought the patio was coming along nicely and couldn't wait to see the finished product. All right, so today's job ended a little early because it started raining, but I think they got the base of the fireplace done. Let's go take a look. All right, so they're putting the fireplace together. This is the base, and this will go 8 feet tall, which is pretty tall. And most of the other paving work is done. Got a little bit of the border to do, but it's looking pretty good. They got to finish the columns and also finish the bench that will go around here for people to sit on. Be a wall with a bench. So they're coming back tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow they'll be able to finish. But we're looking forward to it, and they're doing a good job, and great people to work with, very, very friendly, and that's the important part. So we'll come back tomorrow and see how things are going. Hey, good morning. So today is day 3 of the patio project, and today's main objective is going to be to build the fireplace. So you're probably wondering, how are these concrete blocks going to be turned into a fireplace? You can see pieces over here. Well, this is actually a kit made by Belgard, and it's a kit. You can pick the color of the stone, and we picked this color, and the kit has instructions, and some of the blocks even have letters on them to help the contractor know exactly where he should place the blocks. So we're going to follow this progress today and see how it goes, and it's a beautiful day. It's 70 degrees and the rain has stopped, so we're excited to get this phase of the project done. All right, so the crew is here. Let's take a look and see how it's going. We found the crew hard at work making this patio project a reality. Blocks were placed one at a time as the fireplace came to life. Almost can't see you. All right, day 3 is winding up, and it looks like he's putting the finishing touches on the fireplace. Let's take a look.
The last one?
Last one?
Yes, sir. We want for the last one, sir.
Here we go.
All right. All right, so it's the end of day 3.
The fireplace is done. They will be back tomorrow to do some finishing touches. And then,
The big reveal.
that's right. Okay, take your blindfold off.
Wow, what a difference! It's beautiful. Now this is South Carolina living.